Do you know pretty much every human has the population of microscopic little bug is wandering on your face whole night while you're sleeping and is laying hundreds of eggs in your hair follicles and especially in your eyelashes. They can be passed from one person to another through close contact like sleeping in the same bed, but they are more likely to be passed when face touches, such as during a kiss. These little mites are called Demodex. Subscribe my channel so you can go through all of my new videos. Demodex mites usually mate on your face while you are in a deep sleep. Demodex mites live inside almost every human hair follicles, and if they multiply too much, they can cause Demodex, and you will have itchy, bumpy, or red skin on your face. Demodex mites appear to occur in all mammalian species, including dogs and cats. Its work is to eat dead skin to help another one grow and glow. Around 65 species of Demodex are known. 2 species live on humans. When you sleep, they crawl out onto your skin to mate. These creepy crawlies feast on the sebum, that greasy oil in your skin pores. The immune system is usually able to keep the number of face mites on your skin under control. But you should be worried about your 8-legged guests. Numerous treatments are present to remove them from your skin. Talk to your healthcare provider or dermatologist if you have itchy, bumpy, or red skin on your face. If you like this video, share it among your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.